Sharpening your tools is a skill that is learned over time. Not only is working with sharp tools safer, but it also increases your level of precision and accuracy as you work. In this video, I'm going to show you how I sharpen my tools in my shop, and therefore I hope to reduce the learning curve for you in your shop. So basically, a sharp edge is the meeting point of two smooth surfaces. In this case, the flat back edge of the chisel and the micro bevel or secondary bevel. There are 3 steps to sharpening any plane or chisel. First is to flatten the back. I'm going to start with a 220 grit stone. Now this is a combination stone, which means the stone has to be completely level, flat. That's very, very important. There are a couple ways you can level it. One is all I've done is turn my combination stone over to the 1000 grit side, spritzed it up. I'm going to come in and do the same thing. Hopefully you can remove all of the scratch pattern there before your arm falls off. The hard part is flattening the back of that. Once it's flattened, it's done for the life of the tool. Then you just have to worry about the primary and the secondary bevel. So depending on how much money you spent on your tool, that's going to determine which grit you're going to start with. And if you didn't spend a lot of money, you probably want to start about 220. Or if you, I do want to make sure that the stone is flat. That's very important. So I'm going to start with my flattening stone and flatten it. We're going to start by leveling the back of the blade, then we're going to put a primary bevel and then a secondary or a micro bevel on the tool. Now there's only one difference. The only difference is I don't run. So far I've showed you how to sharpen a chisel, a plane blade, and also spoke shape. One of the most important tools that I use in my guitar building courses is a scraper. So let me show you how I sharpen the scraper. And I'll show you a couple of different ways to sharpen it to get the most out of it. I'm then going to come in with a screwdriver shaft. I'm going to use this as my burnisher. And I'm going to come in and just give it some heavy strokes right across. And that is a nice edge.